Hi, I'm Jason. I'm the category manager for ATC's RV division, and I'm here today with Ann Johnson. She's the business development manager for the Northwest Territory, and we're here today to talk about our 4528 fifth wheel model. And this is our biggest, baddest unit that we make it here at ATC. This unit in particular, you need a 1-ton truck to tow, but what are some of the other features that are unique about the 4528 that sets us apart?
Well, you said it when you said 45 feet, okay? That makes it huge. Even before we get to the deck, which we will pretty soon, the patio deck. What we do with our names, the 4528 in nomenclature, the 28 in there is about garage space. So when you talk about big and baddest, 28 feet of cargo capacity. And for us, that's about putting toys in there, right, Jason?
Yeah, in that 28 feet, you can fit a full-size 4-door Jeep Wrangler. You can fit 2 side-by-sides, anything and everything. So it's good for multiple toys or just a large vehicle. Like I've seen people put in the 4-door Jeep Wrangler and a golf cart in front of it. So not only,
are really important.
Yeah, it is. Not only does it have the length, we also have the carrying capacity to do that, right, Ann?
We do.
Yeah.
So this vehicle here, this toy hauler here, will handle 8,000 pounds cargo capacity. That's a lot in the toy hauler space compared to the competitive brands that we're up against.
Another area, speaking of capacities, we have 200 gallons of fresh water, 90 gallons gray, 45 black, and you brought it up earlier, you're talking to me, you love the fuel tank capacity.
Oh, sure. And can we show you that real quick? So we have a fuel filling station, and we've put it on curbside. 72 gallons of fuel. What we've done here is we've got 2 cells, 36 gallons each. What's nice about that for the toy hauler space is our consumers like to run better fuel in their Can-Ams or in their Polarises. So you get 36 gallons designated just as your race fuel. Maybe it's BP or some of those brands. And then use the other 36 gallons to operate the generator. We've got an outdoor shower, which is really nice on this. Again, our consumer is out in the dunes. They've just come in from a day of riding. This is a nice place for them to rinse off. As well as we've got this sitting here so they could hook up their hose. With 200 gallons of water, they don't have to worry about running out. Then our storage, we've got a pass-through storage, and we've got a MoreRide, another great partner, with our slide. This is great for loading and unloading. You're not crawling up in there.
Yeah, just a convenient option for better organize your exterior storage compartment.
All right, should we go inside?
Yeah, let's go inside. So, Ann, we're here on the interior of the 4528, and this is just very, very spacious.
It is. Again, we're back to big and bad.
Yes, yeah. So you can sleep up to 16 people in this unit, this depending on how you option it and configure it. So like we've told you before on some of our other videos, this is all configurable furniture. The sofas, the tables, the dinettes, they can be moved anywhere along this track from one side to the other or taken out. We have 2 queen-size beds here in the back. You have the residential queen mattress up top, and then these sofas fold down into a queen-size bed as well.
And then this sofa can fold for sleeping. And you're looking at the back side of the loft, but that's another place to put people, right? Maybe small people. You and I wouldn't like it.
No.
And when we get up front, we have a king-size bed. So again, that's industry leading. We're talking about big and bad. That's the proper thing to do, is put a king-size bed in there.
Yeah, let's go check out the rest of the unit. So we're standing here in the bedroom of the 4528 model, and this has a king bed. King bed is optional for this unit, and we're still able to walk around it. We have also the option for this nice window seat, and Ann, just tell me a little bit about this.
Boy, so this is our slide out. And here is a window seat, and we've got storage under there. Just ideal. A great place to sit, maybe have a cup of coffee, read a book. But again, we're adding a little more space in the bedroom, easy to make the bed in the morning.
And when we first came out with this optional slide out in the bedroom, everybody's like, I don't know how that's going to work out, but it really makes it seem so much more spacious up here. And even though it's a window seat, people love it, and we've had very good customer reception about it. Also in this bedroom, you always get the washer prep up here in the closet. You have the nice nightstands on both sides, the overhead storage, so plenty of storage in the bedrooms with these fifth wheels, and you get about 6'2" to the ceiling, so most people can stand up in the bunk area of our fifth wheel bedrooms.
And storage under the king size bed, so real easy platform. And our platform is aluminum. Again, sticking with the theme that we don't put any wood in our units. People look for wood under there. You're not going to find that.
Nope.
It's aluminum.
Yep. So if you want to know more about ATC toy haulers, please check out our website at atctrailers.com.